Nigeria, bringing you another trending story. Nigeria's political tension has once again shifted to the judiciary, as the Supreme Court of Nigeria has fixed April 22nd for the hearing of appeals arising from the deepening leadership crisis within the People's Democratic Party. This is not just another court date. It is a decisive moment in a dispute that has steadily escalated through multiple layers of Nigeria's judicial system, and one that now threatens the party's internal structure, its national convention plans, and potentially its political future heading towards 2027. The appeals before the Apex Court were filed by a faction led by former Minister of Special Duties Kabiru Tanimu Turaki, challenging earlier rulings delivered by the Court of Appeal on March 9th. Those rulings has upheld decisions from the Federal High Court in Abuja, which effectively restrained the party from proceeding with its planned national convention until it complies with statutory and internal party requirements, including provisions of the Electoral Act and its own constitution. At the center of this dispute is a fundamental question of party legitimacy. Who has the authority to organize, structure, and direct the affairs of one of Nigeria's largest opposition party at a critical political? The Supreme Court's panel, led by Justice Mohammed Garba, granted an accelerated hearing application, signaling the urgency of the matter. The court also shortened procedural timelines, directing respondents to file their briefs within 5 days, while appellants were given just 2 days to respond. This compressed timeline reflects the court's recognition that the matter cannot linger without potentially affecting the party's internal calendar and political preparedness. But beyond the legal procedures lies a deeper political reality. The PDP is not merely involved in a technical dispute over convention rules. It is battling internal fragmentation that has repeatedly spilled into the courts. These legal battles have become a proxy for internal power struggles, where rival factions seek judicial validation to assert control over party structures. The origins of the case trace back to earlier Federal High Court judgments delivered by Justice James Omotosho and Peter Livu, whose rulings were triggered by suits filed by aggrieved party members, including former Jigawa State Governor Sule Lamido, who challenged the legality of the party's planned convention process. The court held that due process had not been fully observed, effectively halting the planned exercise until compliance is ensured. The Court of Appeal later affirmed those decisions, setting the stage for the current shutdown at the Supreme Court, which now carries the final authority to resolve the dispute. Inside and outside the courtroom, political stakeholders are closely watching the developments. At Tuesday's proceedings, high-profile figures were present, including Oyo State Governor Seyi Makinde, alongside Kabiru Tanimu Turaki, and other party leaders. Their presence underscores how deeply political this legal matter has become. What is at stake is not only a convention date or procedural compliance. It is control of the party structure, influence over its leadership direction, and ultimately its readiness to function as a unified opposition platform. For the PDP, this crisis comes at a delicate time, as Nigeria edges closer to the 2027 general elections. Opposition parties are expected to consolidate, not fragment. Yet, instead of presenting a united front, the party finds itself locked in a legal and political structure that is draining energy, resources, and focus. The implications extend beyond the courtroom. A prolonged leadership crisis could weaken the party's ability to organize effectively at the national level, coordinate state structures, and position itself as a credible alternative in future elections. In a political environment as competitive as Nigeria's, internal instability can quickly translate into electoral disadvantage. The Supreme Court's intervention, therefore, is not just a legal milestone, it is a political turning point. Its decision will likely determine whether the PDP moves forward with its convention under a unified framework or whether internal divisions depend further under judicial scrutiny. As the April 22nd hearing approaches, anticipation is building across political circles. The outcome will not only shape the PDP's immediate future, but could also influence the broader balance of opposition politics in Nigeria. Because in the end, party crises are not just internal matters. They are tests of structure, leadership, and survival in a system where political strength is built not only at the ballot box, but also in the courtroom. Leaving you on that note, many thanks for watching. This is News Express. I am Kasitoni. Do well to like, engage, subscribe, share, and also engage in the comment section. I am Kasitoni. Many thanks for watching. Do have a beautiful day.